Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into your Guardian Insurance member account, secure login guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the Guardian Insurance website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will find fields for your username and password. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Ensure that your password is entered correctly to avoid login issues. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your username and password, double-check for accuracy. When you're ready, click the Sign In button. Wait a moment for the website to process your login information. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your member account dashboard. In case you encounter any errors, review your information for typos. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. Enjoy navigating your Guardian Insurance member account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.